Hi guys, I'm Shahzad and welcome on our YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss that how can you update your particular drivers. I'm talking about the Windows 11 drivers. So you always update your Windows from the settings, but how can you update the drivers? In this video, we are going to discuss about it. So for those person who just joined us on our YouTube channel, I request them please click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss any update. So let's get started.
Okay guys, so now if you go to the themes, so as you can see, this is go to the settings, personalize, go to the themes, and here as you can see, this is the desktop icon settings. So it's under the related settings. Click on the desktop icon settings. Here as you can see, you have your computer, user files, network, and also the control panel. Select the options which is required for you. Apply, OK, fine. Now, as you can see, you have your My PC here. If you right click properties, so this is your information, so device information, 12th generations, i5, installed RAM, device ID, product ID, systems, and also you have a Windows specifications and also some other informations available here.
Okay guys, so in this way you can update your drivers from the settings in Windows 11. So I hope guys you are enjoying our videos. If you think we are doing good, thumbs up, feel free to share our courses and also the videos. And please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss any update. So thank you for watching.